Hi everyone, Rob Collier here from We Buy Homes. Firstly, I'd just like to say I hope your friends and family are safe and well during this unprecedented time. Thought it was a good opportunity today to just talk about botched repairs. Because people are at home, they've got plenty of time to take another look at their property to make sure it hasn't been a botched repair, and then on the other side of that, giving themselves peace of mind that their property is actually okay. So August 14th is the last date this year, 2020, this year, that you can put a claim into EQC for a botched repair. That started August 14 last year, and there's a 12-month time frame. So it's really important that you do take a look at your property. If you did have an EQC or Fletcher repair, some of the key things you need to look for: cracks in the ring foundation, doors and windows not opening, cracks opening up, floors feeling uneven, putting a marble on flat surfaces like bench tops and lino floors to see if it rolls somewhere. So if you're not sure whether you have had your house fixed properly, there is help at hand. Give us a call on 0800 payout. We can have a chat with you about your property. We can come and do some levels on your property, and then we can determine whether you've got a potential claim here. Now, the downside of having a property that hasn't been repaired properly is that when you go to sell your property sometime in the future, you will either not be able to sell it or you will take a significant discount. So really important that you make sure that your property is compliant, it has been fixed properly. If you're unsure, again, give us a call on 0800 payout and we can advise you on the next best step and who to talk to help you through that process if your property has been not fixed properly. All right, I hope that's of use to people out there. Thanks, bye.